Hey Jose Monkey, Happy New Year. Getting this video out to you very late. I don't know if you do multiple videos, but if you do, this one should be pretty fun. There's a fun side quest at the end if you do. Find me, Jose Monkey. Hey Jose Monkey, find me. Okay, Jose Monkey, where am I now?
Why do you keep saying monkey?
When you figure it out, I bet you wish you were here. Okay, Jose Monkey, now where am I? Good luck. Okay, Jose Monkey, now where am I? Good luck. Okay, Jose Monkey, find me. I'm somewhere really fun. Good luck. Thank you for watching my video, Jose Monkey. Your side quest is this. By now you've probably figured out how I managed to get to all of those locations, but could you figure out which one specifically? Additionally, I'm missing one of the locations. I don't know where that video went, but maybe you could figure out which location is missing. Happy hunting!